watch the light go flash, flash. Spray the water, splash, splash, watch the light go flash, flash. Riding in a red truck, we are the firefighters. To the rescue, firefighters. Riding in a red truck, firefighters. To the rescue, firefighters. Riding in a red truck, firefighters. Firefighters, riding in a red truck, firefighters. To the rescue, firefighters. Riding in a red truck, firefighters. The street goes my engine. Put out the fire, ting, ting, ting. Down to the street goes my engine. Riding in a red truck, we are the firefighters. To the rescue, firefighters. Riding in a red truck, firefighters. To the rescue, firefighters. Riding in a red truck, firefighters. Spray the water, splash, splash, watch the light go flash, flash. Spray the water, splash, splash, watch the light go flash, flash. Riding in a red truck, we are the firefighters. To the rescue, firefighters. Riding in a red truck, firefighters. To the rescue, firefighters. Riding in a red truck, firefighters. Firefighters, riding in a red truck, firefighters. To the rescue, firefighters. Riding in a red truck, firefighters. The street goes my engine. Put out the fire, ting, ting, ting. Down to the street goes my engine. Riding in a red truck, we are the firefighters. To the rescue, firefighters. Riding in a red truck, firefighters. To the rescue, firefighters. Riding in a red truck, firefighters. Firefighters, riding in a red truck. Firefighters.
Hey kids, guess what? Today we're going to be colouring and drawing a Pop-It unicorn. Woohoo! Start with the outline. And if you need to, you can pause the video and do one bit at a time. There we go. Let's do some stripes, horizontal going across from side to side, left to right. And now we're doing the poppers. So lots of circles in between each line. Brilliant! If you want, you could trace around a small circular object. That would make it easier. Brilliant! I wonder how many circles we will need to do all the poppers. Can you count them? Darkening up the border. That will make the colours stand out once we paint or colour it in. Did you manage to count how many poppers there were? How many circles? There are 28 circles. Well done, great counting. So we've started with red. We're using a gorgeous glittery paint and a small tipped paintbrush. So we've gone for orange. Doing the circles first. Or you could just paint over the whole lot if you want it to be the same colour. Or why not use two different shades? One for the circles and one for the parts around the circles. Brilliant! Let's go for yellow. We're fading out here. Red to gold to yellow. Getting paler as we go. Lovely. What colour should we do next? Do you have a favourite colour? You can choose all your own favourite colours. You don't have to do the same as this. We're going to keep it yellow for the next one too. 2 layers of yellow, just like 2 layers of red. Green for the next part. That's right, because this is the neck of the unicorn going into the body. Lovely bright green that is. Blue. Very nice. You see how the colours are fading into one another? It's just like a rainbow. And what colour shall we do the last layer? Purple, what a great choice. Purple is my favourite colour. What's yours? This unicorn's looking amazing, don't you think? And we're done! Woohoo! There you have it, get poppin'! It's a Pop-It unicorn disco!
Hi friends! Have you got your drawing paper and pens ready? Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a dinosaur. Let's start with the head. His big mouth and sharp teeth. I can see his tongue. Can you see it too? He is holding something in his hands. What is it? Oh, it's an apple. Let's move to his legs. What sharp claws he has! And a big, thick tail. Now, little details. Scales on his front. What about his tail? It has spikes. The spikes go all the way up. And little round patches on his sides. Now, let's go over the lines and make them darker. Have you got your colors ready? Let's start. Dark brown for the round patches on the sides of his body. Don't forget the spikes. And the claws. Now light brown for the rest of the body. Hands and legs. The dinosaur is smiling. He likes the colors. Dark pink for his nostrils and his gums. What color is his tongue? Light pink. Yes. White for his sharp teeth. Be careful, the dinosaur will bite. Shall we use peach for his stomach? Now for the apple. Green for the leaf and red for the apple. Our dinosaur is ready! He looks nice and colorful, doesn't he? Hi friends! Are you ready to have some fun? Today, we're going to draw a dinosaur. Let's start. Doesn't he have a big head? The circles can be his scales. Looks like a nice dinosaur. Shall we color him in now? Let's start with red, my favorite color. Which is your favorite color? Now, orange. And then yellow. Make sure you keep the color within the black lines. Shall we move to green? Then blue. Lovely! Purple for the legs. The dinosaur is ready to run! Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!